Today I want to give you guys a look into my rear cargo storage solution for my FJ Cruiser. Now this is not an original idea. I got this idea from some guy way back in 2007 on the FJ Cruiser forum by the name of Rick Rock, and he posted a storage solution that he came up with based on some fiberglass bins that he purchased online. If you read the forum thread, the guy purchased each bin for $55 a piece. The company is called Gilmore Kramer. Part number is 931000. It's called a nesting box. Dimensions are 28 7/8 inches long, 20 3/8 inches wide, and 10 inches tall. The website, they have them for sale currently at $82 a piece. Having the items shipped themselves costs almost as much as the two pieces themselves. So shipping to Los Angeles is $137.46, and you can go on their website and add the items to your shopping cart and then click on your zip code, and it'll tell you the shipping cost. So you'll be able to see what everything's going to cost you all together. The $300 total that I was going to pay was definitely a lot cheaper than the $700 or $1,500 you might pay for a permanent solution made by, one of these bigger brands out there. So here's a look of the shelf that was created to house the drawers. The best part about this is that it is fully reversible. So this is a sort of a modified version of Rick Rock's modification. You'll see that I have a piano hinge right here in the middle, and luckily for me, I have a neighbor who's good with woodworking. He's got all the tools, so I had him help me out, and he basically built this. I don't have any dimensions, but you start with a 3/4 inch of plywood, and what we did was we got a piece of cardboard, just took a rough sketch of the cardboard, took it out, cut the piece of wood to kind of match the cardboard, and then from there shaved down pieces of wood to fit. As I mentioned before, the best part about this is that it's reversible, and once the drawers are removed, I have full access to all of my compartments down here. If you've got a 12-volt outlet, you have access to it down there. If I need to carry something large in my trunk, I could easily take this out and have that extra space, which I'm going to demonstrate now. So this piece down here is the middle support, which is removable. So that comes out, and you'll see that the hinge is doing its job. That allows me to basically fold it up and remove it. So I did have to move the seats up a little bit in order to get the right angle to remove this thing. So here's the piano hinge itself. And as you can see, it folds into a nice manageable piece for installation and removal. So now that this hinge has been folded up, I can remove it from the trunk. And now I have my full trunk once again. So here's a look at the pieces. There's the shelf here, folded shelf. I went to Home Depot and I bought some carpet liner, and we just took some glue, some spray glue, and lined the plywood with the carpet. Used the staple gun to staple the pieces down. And here's a look at it fully laid out. Got that piano hinge down the middle. And then of course, since it has that cut down the middle, this support beam was pretty necessary to keep it from folding. So now I'm gonna attempt to show the installation. It's definitely simpler when you don't have child seats in the back. Once you're able to fold those seats down, it goes in easier, but definitely doable for one person. So like I said, plenty of space back here. Here's just an example of how I use it. These are two 3-gallon water jugs, and they fit easily in here. No spilling water anywhere. Perfect. So once again, overall, this is a DIY project, but if you don't have the woodworking skills or the tools, then you might want to find a friend who does. And like I said before, back in 2007, the thread was a almost perfect shelf solution for under $150. This is 2020 now, and depending on where you live, this cost me upwards of almost $300. So in the end, it might not be worth the price for you. You might decide to go with some other solutions, but this was the right solution for me. I definitely like the fact that it is reversible. I can get my trunk space back if I need to. If I had gone with a permanent solution, it might cost me around $700 to $1,500. So for $300, it's not cheap, but the price was definitely better than what else is out there. And yeah, the fact that it's reversible makes it even better. All right, thanks for watching.